conclusion. Today, I had the opportunity of briefing our new president, who has so far taken right steps in the right direction, and we consider this step as a right step. So we briefed him fully on the level of our preparedness, the outcomes that we envisage. And I'd like to say that Mr. President has graciously approved to support the Commission in the conduct of the census. And our preparatory activities, though, were not stopped at all, but he has given us the courage, the impetus to upscale our preparation. So we will continue our preparation, and we'll hear from him eventually the date that the census will take place, because we made a submission to him that he will study before getting back to us. But as for assurance of support, he has given that to us, and we thank him immensely for this, for also realizing the importance of data for the purpose of national planning